In this video, I'll show you how to fix DISM Restore Health scan stuck at 62.3%. If your DISM Restore Health scan is stuck at 62.3%, here are a few things you can try. First is to go ahead and wait it up. Sometimes DISM takes longer than expected, especially if your system is running and repairing multiple issues. It may take 20 minutes or more to complete. Another thing that you'll need to do is to check the CBS log. Go ahead and open PowerShell as administrator, also known as command prompt, and run these command on your command prompt. This will show real-time updates to confirm if DISM is still working. Another thing that you can do is to restart Windows services. So some users have fixed issue by restarting key Windows services. And the last option that you have is to restart your PC. If all else fails, a simple restart might resolve the problem. That's basically how you can fix DISM Restore Health scan stuck at 62.3%. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.